friends, a very warm welcome to Ichche Aahar. Today I will show you how to make Indian special masala milk tea or Indian special spiced milk tea or chai. In India, thousands and millions of Indians enjoy special masala milk tea or Indian special spiced milk tea. It is very popular in India. It is India's favorite beverage, especially during the monsoon and cold winters. Indian special masala chai has a mind-blowing, awesome flavor and wonderful aroma. If you like my today's video, then like it and share it with your friends and relatives, and subscribe my channel Ichche Aahar and click the bell icon to get quick updates of my new videos. Now let's see what ingredients are required for making Indian special masala milk tea. Milk 250 ml, water 250 ml, tea leaves 4 teaspoon, ginger ½ inch, whole black peppercorns 10 pieces, green cardamoms 4 pieces, cinnamon 2 sticks, cloves 4 pieces, fennel seeds 1/4 teaspoon, and sugar as per taste. Now let's see the process of making authentic Indian special masala milk tea. First, crush the whole dry spices coarsely with mortar and pestle and keep them aside. Take a pan and boil the water for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds now, add crushed ginger to the pan and boil for 1 minute on a medium flame. Now add all the crushed dry spices to the pan and boil them for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes now, add the tea leaves to the pan and boil for 2 minutes again. After 2 minutes now, add milk to the pan and stir and mix it nicely and boil and stir it for 4 to 5 minutes until a brown layer appears. Now add sugar to the pan as per your taste and stir and boil it. Now we can see the brown layer, which means that the Indian special masala milk tea is ready. A mind-blowing, fantastic aroma is coming out of it. Now strain the tea through a strainer and serve hot Indian special masala chai with some snacks, biscuits or cookies. Thanks for watching my video. If you find my video helpful, then share your experience with me. I'll again come with a new interesting recipe video. So bye for now. Take care and have a nice day.